Hey y'all, it's Josh from KTI Promo, your award winning tech supplier. So, just wanted to take a quick bit and tell you about some of the products we're seeing trending for 2021. So, let's kick it off so I'm not keeping you too long. We'll start with UV products. UV products have been gaining interest since the later part of 2020 and are hitting its peak right now. They're actually really, really cool. So, instead of having to use some sanitizer to sanitize your products, you can simply place them in a box or something else to sanitize them. So this is our UV Sanitizing Box. Really awesome imprint sprays. Here's your power button. And that right there is the built-in 15-watt wireless charger. That's pretty awesome too and handy. So not only can you charge your phone on top, but then you could also open it and charge and sanitize your phone on the inside. So this box has two sanitizing modes. There's a 2-minute mode and a 5-minute mode. If you were just going to place one item in this UV box, I would say you're good and ready for the 2-minute mode. If you're going to try and place multiple things inside this box, just make sure it closes, then I would go with the 5-minute mode just to make sure everything is good and sanitized. And when it's done and you take them out, they're going to have that sanitized smell. You're going to know they're good and ready to use and safe. But if you, like many others, don't really care for that sanitizing smell, you'll notice there's like these little holes right here, and there's an included eyedropper that you can take like some diffusing oils and drop right in there to give your phone a different scent. So it'll drown out a little bit of that sanitizing smell and add like a vanilla, lavender, or whatever kind of scent you wish that you dropped right in there, which is actually really, really cool. It's, just adds to the nature of how awesome this UV box is. If you don't want to deal with the box, you can go with our UV Sanitizing Remote. Super portable, easy to take just about anywhere. Again, awesome imprint space, power button, and a countdown screen on here. And why do you need that countdown screen? Because there are, again, two sanitizing modes. There's a 60-second mode and a 180-second mode. So if you are going to sanitize, let's just say your laptop, your phone, or maybe your kitchen table, do the 60-second mode. If you're going to try and sanitize all of your kitchen counters or maybe your bed, some bedding, you're going to lay it out and try and sanitize all of that, I would go with the 180-second mode. So all you'll do is you'll press your power button once for the 60-second mode or twice for the 180-second mode, and then just swipe, swipe, swipe until the countdown is done and this turns off, and then everything's good to go. Now, you'll see there's 3 UVC rays that will shoot out. So UVC rays can actually be really harmful for your eyes if they're shined into your eyes. So a really awesome safety feature of this is if you you're sanitizing and you turn it over, when you get about halfway, those UVC rays will actually stop. The product will shut down, so you don't have to worry about it once you turn it over. Now, when you turn it back over, it will pick up where it left off so you can finish sanitizing and you're good to go. No batteries are needed. There's an included charging cable, and you just plug it right in and recharge it when it's done. Moving away from UV products, wireless earbuds have been trending for the last couple of years. But now that so many people are working from home, they are hitting a huge peak. And ours are really fantastic. This is our AirBud Pro. Pretty cool name, huh? So again, open it, and just like all the earbuds that you've seen, you know which ones I'm talking about. You'll take it out of the case, press the power button, turn it on, and then you'll pair it over a Bluetooth connection to your phone. All you need to do is pair it once. Anytime after that, when you take them out, power them on, they'll auto pair with your phone, and you'll be rocking out in seconds. Place that back in there real quick. Your imprint space is right on the front, but another bonus thing that's really, really cool about our AirBud Pros is they come with an accessory pack. So you get a silicone carrying case, adds a protection to that. Also comes with a carabiner clip to hook right on here, so you can attach it to a backpack, your belt loop, or a purse, or whatever you prefer. But another cool thing is it comes with what they call an earbud leash. Drape it around your neck, put the earbuds right in the bottom, put your earbuds in your ears, and then if for some reason you're out working out, running, walking, whatever, and they by chance fall out of your ears, they will fall and drape around your neck instead of falling and hitting the ground and potentially breaking or scuffing. So pretty cool. Probably a product you didn't think you wanted or needed, but you do. Now, power banks. What kind of tech company would we be if we did not offer you some type of mobile charging capability? And boy, does KTI have tons of those options for you. We have everything all the way from a 2500 mAh power bank to a whopping 15,000 mAh power bank. Now, with our phones and tablets being as powerful as they are these days, you really want something 8 to 10,000, if not more mAh. And the one that I personally do not leave my house without, whether it's in the car, walking, coming into the office, is our WC power bank. It's a 10,000 wireless charging power bank. So again, great imprint space. Turn it around. There's that built-in wireless charger I was talking about. It's a 10-watt wireless charger. Added safety feature, it's got suction cups on there, so you can suction cup your phone right on here, and then you can go walking or whatever and not worry about your phone falling off or using your own cables, and it's charging. It's really, really great. I use this all the time when I'm walking at the park. So if you do want to use your cables though, or maybe you don't have a wireless charging phone, you can use a Type-C cable, a USB cable, or a lightning cable. There are also capacity indicator lights right here, and then there is a built-in kickstand. Pretty cool, right? So that way, if you want to watch Netflix, maybe YouTube, Hulu, whichever you prefer, you can suction cup your phone on here, let it charge, prop it up, watch some Netflix, and keep your phone charged all at the same time. So, moving away from that, let's go into some pretty useful work from home items. So all of those actually are great for work from home, but these next three products are pretty on point. We know a lot of us are working from home these days. We're all part of countless virtual meetings, trade shows, conference calls, whatever they may be. And as with your ceiling lights, windows open, you may think your lighting is on point until someone takes a screenshot and you are the lone dark person on that Brady Bunch collage on the screen, and then people calling you out on Facebook. Why are you so dark? What happened? Well, it's because you don't have a ring light, and a ring light from KTI is going to be your best bet. We have three options available. Our first option is what we call our Selfie Ring Light. It will simply clip onto your phone or a laptop or a tablet. Just clip it over the camera, press the power button, and it turns on. And there's actually three light modes. There's low, medium, and bright. Imprint goes right here, comes in black or white, and it's rechargeable. So you don't have to input batteries. You just plug it in when it dies. So it's really, really cool, super portable if you don't want to lug around one of the ring lights that I'm about to talk about next. And my daughter actually uses them for virtual learning, so I know it works. She's always got hers clipped onto her laptop. So this big bad boy behind me, we call it our ring light. There are actually two options available of the ring light. It's a 10.5-inch ring light. It comes with a universal phone holder, clips any phone. You'll actually print your logo right here across the base of the universal phone holder. This one right here comes with an included 6-foot tripod. So if you want to have it lit up and behind you, maybe behind a backdrop or off to the side, this is a great one to have. It also comes with a remote shutter, so you can control it from over here if you wish. The other one, and the one that I use mostly, that I keep behind my laptop screen, which is actually what's on right now, giving me some extra light, is the standard ring light, and it comes with a desktop tripod. So I'm gonna bring it around, so get ready for some light. Right here, it comes with the included desktop tripod. Just place it out, put it on your desk, and drop it behind. Again, you can see the imprint area on here. It is USB powered, and there are 3 different light modes on it with various brightness levels, so you can adjust it as needed so you're not too bright and in someone's face, but then you're also not too dark either. So they are great. I use them almost every single day, and they're super, super awesome to have, especially in these day and times where a lot of us are stuck working from home. So, well, that's all I got. I feel like I've taken up enough of your time today. So I'll see you next time.